So this is a abandoned um, railway house. I think the people who made the railway used to live here, or it could be where the passengers just waited for the train. Uh, but I think it's the first one. Um, it looks hella scary. I don't know if you can see anything. If you can see the house. Okay, I'm starting to get a little bit stressed. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, ain't you following me?
It's a hole in the door. Can go inside there.
It's a hole in the door?
Yes, in the plywood.
No, never. Okay, I will go in. I'll just park the car. Can you drive forward some? Maybe? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go out here. Look at this piece of shit. Need to turn on my lampa. I'll just wait for that car though. Whoa, holy shit. Do you see, guys? Do you see the house? Okay, so here we are. It's a jävla hole in the door too. Oh, I'm gonna get some real nasty festing here. Don't you think? Hello, guys? Ain't you following me? Am I going alone? Okay, let's go.
And that was what I said.
You need a smoke. Why? Okay, I'm going to investigate this hole by myself. Then, oh, it's very, very much your ass here. You see the environment? Holy crap! I'm waiting. Oh, it's hella scary. Someone broke in here, right? Like I thought it was open. It has been before. Are you waiting to take a smoke outside? You can just go in. You know that, right? Like I don't think it's a fire alarm in here. Yeah, it's hella scary, but we need to do it for the stream.
For the stream,
For
for
the
the
stream.
people out there.
Oh my god, guys. Okay, is someone living in here?
What?
I gotta go in. No, it's upstairs too. Holy fuck, this is creepy as fucking hell. Hey, bro, some beer? Holy shit, I sound like a motherfucker. Holy shit, guys. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm scared as fuck. Yeah? What? No, but I got the ghost radio, but you can do it if you want. Come inside here then. So we got the ghost radio. The ghost radio going here. Okay, guys, we need to take a look at this. Whoa! It's a bird in here. Furry trapped. Some hashtags on the wall. Oh, little bird. That's very sad. Oh, he's pooed everywhere. Oh, that's sad. Oh, I can't do much about it though. Whoa! Whoa! And they're leaking out of their buttholes. Oh, you did just turn it off. But I need to look on this side. What? Holy shit! Oh, they got babies. Oh. Okay, this is just to the other room, so we can go this way. I don't want to get poo on me. This is a paranormal investigation, not the poo-gation. Upstairs maybe fucked. We can fall down, yeah. Oh, okay, like people have gone mayhem in here, right? One more bird. Oh, very cute. Little bird, little bird. Oh, I hold the microphone, I think. Yeah, I did. Sorry guys for that. Oh, don't poo with me. The connection's bad. Yeah, but maybe we can just do it outside. I need to take a look upstairs though. I just need to look upstairs a little. Oh, is something dead under me? No, I hope not. Can I walk here? Okay. This is so jävla scary. Guys. Yeah, but it is scary. Scary as shit. Okay, let's go. Oh shit. Oh, motherfucker. Is someone living up here? I'm gonna fucking fuck. Holy shit, that's creepy. You know, everything is trashed, but you got this newspaper on the walls, and you got this what is it called? Leather. You're standing here like no one has touched it. Holy shit. Okay. I will go downstairs again. Very much glass here. Do you want to go to the other house? It's kind of long to drive, don't you think? Oh, don't hurt yourself. But we need to do some ghost box, don't you think, guys? Here. Whoa! Holy fuck, vad det var. Whoa. It was the bird. It flew into the what do you call it? Plywood. Shit. Oh, it's my finger. Oh, I don't got the routine for this, guys. I'm sorry. Did you guys hear that? I hope it was like a cow or something. Hello? Is there someone here? Did you live here? Enjoying the app? What the fuck? Your lip is it there? Can somebody talk to me? Maybe? I'll do like this. Whoa. Holy. Nah. Soul? It said soul? What soul? What are you talking about? Is your soul stuck here? Can he talk to me, maybe? Oh, the EMF reader goes like fucking crazy. Xavier? What do you mean? What's that? I'm getting those hard jävla goosebumps now, guys. This looks like something out of The Conjuring, though, don't you think, guys? Holy shit. I'm scared. I can't read the chat right now when I had this app open. Guide? What the fuck? It said guide. What do you mean? Are you gonna guide me? Oh, I'm so scared right now. What do you mean? Are you going to guide me? How? Oh, the EMF reader. Oh, holy shit, it goes crazy. Oh, do you see the EMF reader? Person? It's a person? Malice? I don't know what that means, but are you Malice? What do you mean? Do you want me to stay here? Do you want me to get out of here? What do you want from me? Are you still there, man? And that's jävla kawa. Okay, the EMF reader. Do you see? Oh, ahead? No, I'm fucking out of here. It said ahead. Okay. No, I don't want to go ahead after doing the spirit section, and it said I should go ahead. I'm so jävla scared. Okay, let's go inside. I got it. But I'm alone this time. It told me to go ahead. That jävla spirit box. Does it say help? You little fucker. I don't want to go inside again. Okay, this is for you guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. He's fucking. He got this, rensketa is coming out of his butt like water. It's fucking disgusting. I don't want to have this poo on me. Okay. Okay, so this is how it looks. I won't go up again. No one alone in here. Yeah. This is how it looks. The room just ends here, like you see on screen. Is it like this? I got like no internet connection in here at all. So the stream will just be laggy as fuck. I'll go in here again. But I hope you stay. We move on to the other location. Because they say it's like a big house, This is just a smaller little building. You see in roof, yes, very much. Oh, you got this. You can watch the live football from there with this antenna. Very good. Okay, ghosts. Thank you for having me here. Don't stay with me. Stay home, and I will never see you again. Thank you. Bye.